I don't know if you can tell or not. Yeah, you hear that wind gust up? And boy, oh boy, it gets crazy there. You hear the power lines whistling. It just gets all crazy out here when the wind gusts. That's where we got pretty much about a steady 15-20 mile an hour wind. With, I know it's got to be at least 35 mile an hour gust when it comes through, because it becomes way out here. You can see an occasional dust devil. Well, not dust devil right now. Snow devils blowing across the field. That's pretty cool looking. It looks like it's going to be another big mess to dig out tonight and tomorrow.